Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
What are we learning today?
Kholo. Yeah.
Oh, we're learning how to use big and small in Setswana to describe some things. Are you ready, kids? The root word for big is kholo. And the root word for small is nye. So big is kholo and small is nye. Big kholo, small nye. Now to say big elephant, we say tlou e kholo. To say small elephant, we say tlou e nye. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Did you notice when we said tlou e kholo, we added a K to kholo? E means that is. Tlou means elephant and kholo means big. So we're actually saying elephant that is big. You see how easy it is? So big giraffe would be tutlwa e kholo. And small giraffe would be tutlwa e nye. Big monkey would be khabo e kholo. And small monkey would be khabo e nye. And now you can use big and small to describe some animals. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.